Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to Pallavi Maths Surf. In this session, I'm going to discuss about Class 10, Chapter 1, Arithmetic Progression. In previous video, I discussed about Exercise 1, question number 1 to 3. In this session, I'm going to discuss about question number 4. Myself, Pallavi ji. Which of the followings are APs? This is first question. And if they are not, form an AP. Find the common difference G and write 3 more terms. You need to say this is a form of AP or not. If they form an AP, you need to find out the common difference and you need to write out 3 more terms. First question, 2, 4, 8, 16 continuous. This one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now, check it's form an AP or not. Okay. First find out G difference. G is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. I will call this one as G1. Okay. Similarly, find G2. G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. This is first group. Next is second group. Next one is third group. Okay. A3 is 8 minus 4. A2 is. So which is equals to 4. Observe here, G1 not equals to D2. This is G1 is 2. G2 is 4. If G1 not equals to D2, then it is not a AP. Is it right? Then it is not an AP. You have no need to find out the next 3 more terms because if they form, here they given, if they form an AP, then you need to find out 3 more terms. So it is not an AP, no need to find out 3 more terms. Next, second question, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, continuous. Here, this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Find out difference. This is first group, second group, and third group. Okay. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. Take the LCM. LCM is 2. Here 5 minus 2 2s are 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. D1 is 1 by 2. Similarly, find out D2. D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. LCM is 2. Here 3 2s are 6 minus 5, which is equals to 1 by 2 D2. Similarly, find out D3. D3 is equals to A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2 minus A3 is 3. LCM is 2. Here 7 minus 6, which is equals to 1 by 2. Yes, therefore, G1 is equals to G2 is equals to D3. So it is an AP. Here, find the common difference. Difference D is 1 by 2. Next, write next 3 more terms. Already up to A4 is there. Now you need to find out A5, A6 as well as A7. A5 means A plus 4D, which is equals to the value of A. A means first term 2 plus 4 into D value is 1 by 2. Next step 2 plus 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are, which is equals to 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. This is A5. Next A6, A plus 5D, which is equals to the value of A is 2 plus 5 into G value is 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 5 by 2. Take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 by 2. Next, A7, A plus 6D, which is equals to 2 plus 6 into D value is 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 6 ones are 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Next three terms are, write it in word. Next three terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. So this is the answer. I hope all of you understood this second sum. Next, third sum. Third sum is minus 1.2, comma minus 3.2, comma minus 5.2, comma minus 7.2. First, check whether it forms an AP or not. Okay. So consider minus 1 by 1.2 as A1. This one is A2, A3, and A4. Next, group this one. Find out G. G is equals to, G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. G1, A2 is minus 3.2 minus up, A1 is minus 1.2, which is equals to minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2, which is equals to 2. Sorry, minus 2. Okay. Next, similarly find D2. D2 is equals to next group A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2 minus up, A2 is minus 3.2. In next step, minus 5.2 minus into minus plus 3.2, which is equals to minus 2, G2. Similarly, find out G3. G3 is equals to A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 7.2 minus up, A3 is minus 5.2, which is equals to minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2, which is equals to minus 2. Yes, therefore, G1 is equals to G2 is equals to D3. So it is an AP. Next, what you need to find out, right? 3 more terms. So up to A4 is there. You need to find out A5, A6 as well as A7. A5 means A plus 4D. The value of A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into the value of D is minus 2. Because difference G1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3. All are equals to minus 2. Is it right? So substitute minus 2. Which is equals to minus 1.2 plus into minus minus 8. So 4 2s are 8. Which is equals to 8 minus 1.2. Which is equals to minus 9.2. Similarly, find out A6. A6 is A plus 5D. So minus 1, A value is minus 1.2 plus 5 into D value is minus 2, which is equals to minus 1.2 plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10, which is equals to minus 11.2. Next, find out A7. A7 is A plus 60. A value is minus 1.2 plus 6 into D value is 2. So minus 1.2 plus into minus minus 6 2s are 12, which is equals to minus 13.2. So write it in word. Next 3 terms are minus 9.2, comma minus 11.2, comma minus 13.2. Next, fourth question. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 to dash dash dash. Okay. First, check whether it is form an AP or not. So here, this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Group 1, group this. D is equals to, D1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of E2 is minus 6, minus E1 is minus 10. Minus 6, minus into minus, plus 10, which is equals to 4. Similarly, find D2. D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is minus 2, minus of minus 6, which is equals to minus 2, minus into minus, plus 6, which is equals to 4. I think, I hope G1 and G2 is enough. Okay, no need to find out D3 all. Therefore, G1 is equals to D2. Sorry, G1. I written G1 now. If G1 is equals to D2, then it forms a AP. It is an AP. You need to find out next 3 terms. Already up to A4 is there. You need to find out A5, A6, A7. Okay. A5 means A plus 4D. The value of A is minus 10 plus 4 into G value is 4, which is equals to minus 10 plus 4 4s are 16, which is equals to 6. A6 means A plus 5D. A value is minus 10 plus 5 into D value is 4. Minus 10 plus 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 10 is 10. Next, A plus 6D. Minus 10 plus 6 into D value is 4. So minus 10 plus 6 4s are 24, which is equals to 14. Therefore, next 4 terms are 6, 10, 14. I hope all of you understood these 4 sums. Next, I will move for next sum, 5th sum. That one is. Here, 5th sum is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3 continuous goes up to infinity. Okay. First write the question. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 3 continuous. Okay. So here, this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. First find out the difference. Group the terms. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, which is equals to root 2. This one is D1. Next, D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 value is 3 plus root 2. You need to write it in bracket because your 2 numbers is there, 2 terms. Okay, 3 plus root 2. In next step, 3 plus 2 root 3, sorry, 2 root 2 plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3, minus into plus is minus root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. In 2 root 2 minus root 2. Here, this one is third. Okay. So here, order and radicand both are same. So root 2 is common. Remaining is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 root 2. So D2 is equals to 1 root 2. And D1 is also root 2. So both D1 is equals to D2. Therefore, D1 is equals to D2, then it is form an AP. Then it is form an AP. If it is form an AP, you need to find out A5 as well as A6 as well as A7. A5 means A plus 4D. A value is 3 plus 4 into D value is root 2, which is equals to 3 plus 4 root 2. A6 is A plus 5D. A value is 3 plus 5 into root 2, which is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. Next, A7, A plus 6D, which is equals to 3 plus 6 into root 2. So, which is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. Therefore, the next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, comma 3 plus 5 root 2, comma 3 plus 6 root 2. Similarly, you need to find out the value. Next question is sixth question. You need to find out same. You need to follow the same steps. 0.2, 0.222, 0. This one is 0.12. 0.222, comma 0.2222 continuous goes up to here. Can I write 0.2 in the form of 2 by 10? Yes. Here 22 by 100. Here 222 after the decimal, after the point, 3 decimals are there. So put 3 zeros. Here after the point, how many decimals are there? 4. So 4 zeros you need to put. 1 0 0 0 0. Okay. So this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now group this one. D1. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 22 by 100 minus A1 is 2 by 10. Your LCM is 100. Your 22 minus 10 2s are 20, which is equals to 2 by 100. Can write this one as 1 by 50. G1 is 1 by 50. Similarly, find G2. G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is 222 divided by 1000 minus A2 is 22 by 100. Now take the LCM. LCM is 1000. Here 222 minus 22 into 100. Sorry, 22 into 10 is 200. You will get 2 by 1000. So which is equals to 1 by 500. So D1 not equals to D2. D1 not equals to D2. Therefore, it is not an AP. Next, seventh sum. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 continuous. Okay. This one is A1, A2, A3, and this one is A4. Find out G1, G2, G3. Okay. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is minus 4, minus A1 is 0, which is equals to minus 4. Similarly, find out D2. D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is minus 8, minus of A2 is minus 4, which is equals to minus 8, minus into minus plus 4, which is equals to minus 4. Similarly, find out D3. D3 is equals to A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12, minus of minus 8, which is equals to minus 12 plus 8 equals minus 4. Therefore, G1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3. Therefore, it is an AP. It is an AP. Now, you need to find out next three terms. Up to A4 is there. Find out A5. A5 is equals to A plus 4D. A value is 0 plus 4 into D value is minus 4. 0 plus into minus 16, which is equals to minus 16. Next, A6 is equals to A plus 5D. A value is 0 plus 5 into D value is minus 4. 0 plus into minus 5 4s are 20 is equals to minus 20. Next, A7 is equals to A plus 6D is equals to value of A is 0 plus 6 into D value is minus 4, which is equals to 0 minus 6 4s are 24 is equals to minus 24. The next three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Next, eighth sum, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 continuous. You need to check whether it is an AP or not. This one is A1, A2, A3, A4. So first find out G1. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus A1 is minus 1 by 2, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 0. Find out A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is minus 1 by 2 minus A2 is minus 1 by 2, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Yes, you are getting D1 is equals to D2. Therefore, it is an AP. You need to find out next three terms, means A5, A6, A7. A5 means A plus 4D. The value of A is minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into value of D is 0, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 4 zeros are 0, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. A6 is equals to A plus 5D. The value of A is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into value of D is 0, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 0. 5 zeros are 0, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, find out A7, A plus 60, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into 0, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 6 zeros are 0 is equals to minus 1 by 2. The next three terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. I hope all of you understood these four sums. Next, ninth sum. 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay. 1, 3, 9, 27. A1, A2, A3, this one is 9. This one is A4. Group the terms. Find out D1. D1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Next, D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 9 minus A2 is 3, which is equals to 6. Yes. D1 is equals to D2? No, it is not equal. Therefore, it is not It is not an A. Next, 10th sum, A, 2A, 3A, 4A continuous. Okay. This one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Find out the common difference here. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is 2A minus A1 is A, which is equals to A. Next, G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 3A minus A2 is 2A. 3A minus 2A is A. Find out D3. D3 is equals to A4 minus A3. A4 is, the value of A4 is 4A minus A3 is 3A, which is equals to A. As all are equal, G1 is equals to G2 is equals to D3. Therefore, it is an AP. If it is an AP, you need to find out next 3 more terms. Already up to A4 is there. Find out A5, A6 as well as A7. A5 means A plus 4D. The value of A is A plus 4 into the value of D is again A, which is equals to A plus 4A is equals to 5A. Okay. Next, A6 is A plus 5D. Value of A is A plus 5 into the value of D is A. A plus 5A is equals to 6A. Next, A7 is equals to A plus 6D. Is equals to A plus 6 into A is equals to A plus 6 ones are 6A is equals to 7A. Therefore, the next 3 terms are the next 3 terms are 5A, 6A, 7A. Next, 11th question. A square, A cube, A to the power of 4. Next here, this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Group this one. Find out the value of G1, G2. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is A square minus A1 is A. Then A is common, remaining is A minus 1. Similarly, find out G2. G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. The value of A3 is A cube minus A2 is A square. A square is common, remaining is A minus 1. Observe here, G1 not equals to G2. Therefore, it is not an AP. No need to find out next 3 more terms because it is not an AP. So you don't need to find out next 3 more terms. Next, 12th question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. This one is A1, A2, A3. Before that, I'm writing something. Root 2, write as it is. Root 8, split this one as 4 2s are 8. Root 18, you can write this one as 9 2s are 18. Root 32, you can write this one as 16 into 2. In next step, root 2, root 4 is 2. Yes, everyone knows that. So 2 root 2, root 9 is 3, root 2, I'm taking outside. Root 16 value is 4, 4 root 2. Now, write this one as A1, A2, A3 and A4. So here D is equals to Find out D1. D1 is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 root 2 minus A1 is root 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 root 2. Similarly, find out G2. G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 root 2. Yes, you are getting D1 is equals to D2. Therefore, it is an AP. Now find out A6 is A5, A6, A7. A5, which is equals to A plus 4B. The value of A is root 2 plus 4 into the value of G is root 2, which is equals to 5 root 2. A6 means A plus 5D root 2 plus 5 into root 2, which is equals to 6 root 2. A7 means A plus 6D, which is equals to root 2 plus 6 into root 2, which is equals to 7 root 2. The next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. I hope all of you understood these four sums. Next, I will move for next sum. 13th question is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Write here root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Root 3 write as it is. Root 6 also write as it is. Or else I will split this one as root 3 into root 6. I will write this one as 3 into 2. Okay. Root 9 is 3. Root 12 is 4 into 3. Okay. Next step, root 3. You split this one as root 3 into root 2. Okay. Root 3 into 2. I am splitting this one as root 3 into root 2. Here 3. Here 2 root 3. A1, A2, A3, A4. Find out D1. D1 is equals to, I am grouping here. D1 is equals to A2 minus A1. The value of A2 is root 3 into root 2 minus A1 is root 3. Root 3 is common, remaining is root 2 minus 1. Similarly, find out G2. G2 is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 3. Instead of writing 3, you can write, I will show you, instead of writing 3, you can write this one as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Square square get cancelled, which is equals to 3. Is it right? So instead of 3, I will write 3 is here. 3 minus A2 is root 3 into root 2. Instead of 3, I will write root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 is common, remaining is root 3 minus root 2. This is G1, this one is G2. Yes, G1 not equals to D2. Therefore, it is not an AP. Next, 14th sum, 1 to the power of 1, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square continuous. 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, you need to square, 5 fives are 25, 7 sevens are 49. So here this one is A1, A2, A3, A4. G1 is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. Find out D2. D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. 25 minus 9, which is equals to 16. So D1 not equals to D2. Therefore, it is not an AP. Next, 15th question. 1 to the power of 1, 5 square, 7 square, 73 continuous. Okay, here 1 to the power of 1 is this 1, 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49, 73 continuous. A1, A2, A3, A4. But first find out D1. I'm grouping this one. D1 is equals to A2 minus A1. 25 minus 1, which is equals to 24. D2 is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 is 49 minus A2 is 25, which is equals to 24. Similarly, find out D3. D3 is A4 minus A3. A4 is 73 minus A3 is 49, which is equals to 24. Yes, you are getting D1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3. Therefore, it is an AP. You need to find out next 3 more terms. Already up to A4 is there. Find out A5. A5 means A plus 4D. The value of A is 1. First one. First term is A. Is it right? 1 plus 4 into D value is 24, which is equals to 1 plus 24 into 4 is 96, which is equals to 97. A6 is equals to A plus 5D. A value is 1 plus 5 into D value is 24, which is equals to 1 plus 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 12, 12. 120 plus 1 is 121. Find out A7. A7 is A plus 60. 1 plus 6 into 24. So 1 plus 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. It's equals to 145. The next 3 terms are The next 3 terms are 97, 121, 145. I hope all of you understood this question number 4. In upcoming session, I will solve exercise 1.2. Thank you, students. Thank you, everyone.